In this video, you will learn how to do some basic editing on your images in your Google document. This is a blank document. I will first insert an image, and for that I can click on insert and image and then upload from my computer. Now I have this logo, so I just insert this, and now once you click on this image, you will see this image options, and if you click on image options, now you have a few basic operations you can do on this image. For example, currently there is no color, but if you click here, Google document has given you a lot of options to quickly change the color of your image. For example, if I click on this, the color will instantly change. Then I have also the option to change the transparency, the brightness or the contrast of this image. So let's say I change this transparency. As you can see that the transparency is changing. So these are few options, few basic image operations which you can perform inside your Google document.